In the 21st century, our understanding of genetics has unlocked possibilities once confined to the realm of science fiction. One such advancement, genetic modification, allows scientists to alter the very building blocks of life, including the food we eat. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, are organisms whose DNA has been artificially altered to introduce desirable traits. These modifications can lead to faster growth, increased pest resistance, and enhanced nutritional value in crops. However, this foray into the genetic world is not without controversy. Critics argue that tampering with nature can have unforeseen and potentially harmful consequences. Concerns range from environmental impacts to potential health risks for humans and animals. The debate surrounding GMOs is complex, with passionate voices on both sides. This essay will delve into the science behind GMOs, exploring their potential benefits and risks, to provide a balanced perspective on this important issue. Understanding GMOs requires acknowledging that humanity has been modifying plants and animals for millennia through selective breeding. Farmers have long chosen to cultivate crops with desirable traits like larger fruits or higher yields, passing on these advantageous genes to future generations. GMO technology accelerates this process by directly introducing specific genes into an organism's DNA. This precision allows for faster and more targeted results compared to traditional breeding methods. As we navigate the complexities of a growing global population and the challenges of climate change, understanding the potential of GMOs is crucial. By carefully weighing the benefits and risks, we can make informed decisions about the role of genetic engineering in our future. One of the most compelling arguments in favor of GMOs is their potential to address global food security. With a rapidly growing population, feeding the world sustainably is an ongoing challenge. GMOs offer a powerful tool to increase crop yields, enhance nutritional content, and improve resilience against pests and harsh conditions. Crops engineered for pest resistance require fewer pesticides, reducing environmental damage and costs. Drought-tolerant crops can thrive in arid regions, expanding agricultural land and improving food security. GMOs can also enhance the nutritional value of staple crops, like golden rice producing beta-carotene. Golden rice offers a potential solution to vitamin A deficiency, a serious health concern in developing countries. The potential of GMOs to address food security and malnutrition is undeniable. While the agricultural applications of GMOs are perhaps the most widely known, genetic engineering extends its reach far beyond the farm. In medicine, GMOs are playing an increasingly vital role in the development of life-saving drugs, vaccines, and therapies. Genetically modified bacteria, for example, are used to produce insulin for diabetes treatment and clotting factors for hemophilia patients. In the past, these essential proteins were extracted from animal sources, which was costly and carried the risk of contamination. GMO technology allows for the production of these medicines in controlled laboratory settings, increasing efficiency, ensuring purity, and reducing reliance on animal products. Beyond pharmaceuticals, GMOs are utilized in various industrial applications. Enzymes produced by genetically modified microorganisms are used in laundry detergents to break down stains and in food production processes like cheese making. Biofuels, a renewable alternative to fossil fuels, can be produced from genetically engineered algae and other plant sources. The use of GMOs in research is also invaluable. Genetically modified animals, such as mice, are used as model organisms to study human diseases and test the efficacy of new drugs. These animal models provide crucial insights into complex biological processes and accelerate the development of new treatments. The applications of GMO technology are vast and constantly evolving. From revolutionizing medicine to developing sustainable solutions for energy and industry, GMOs hold immense potential to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Despite the potential benefits offered by GMOs, it is crucial to acknowledge the potential risks associated with this technology. One of the primary concerns is the potential for unintended consequences on the environment. Critics argue that genetically modified crops could cross-pollinate with wild relatives, leading to the spread of modified genes into natural populations. This gene flow could have unpredictable consequences on biodiversity, potentially leading to the decline or extinction of native species. Furthermore, the widespread use of herbicide-tolerant GMOs has led to the emergence of superweeds, resistant to conventional herbicides. This has resulted in increased herbicide use, further exacerbating environmental concerns. Another concern is the potential impact of GMOs on human health. While there is no conclusive evidence that GMOs are inherently harmful to humans, long-term studies on their safety are limited. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to proteins produced by genetically modified crops. Furthermore, there are concerns that the use of antibiotic resistance genes as markers in GMO development could contribute to the spread of antibiotic resistance in bacteria. The potential for unintended consequences on human health and the environment underscores the need for rigorous safety testing and regulation of GMOs. Transparency in labeling and consumer choice are also crucial aspects of responsible GMO development and implementation. A healthy debate. Exploring the impact of GMOs on human health. The debate on GMOs is often heated and fraught with misinformation. Proponents cite a lack of conclusive evidence of harm, while critics argue long-term studies are insufficient. A balanced perspective relying on scientific evidence is crucial. Rigorous safety assessments are essential before GMOs reach the market. These assessments evaluate potential toxicity and allergenicity. They also analyze the overall composition compared to non-GMO counterparts. Some studies suggest links between GMOs and health effects in animals, but these studies often face criticism for methodological flaws. Correlation does not equal causation. Observing a correlation does not mean GMOs are the cause. Transparency in research funding is crucial. Studies funded by biotech companies may be seen as biased, while those funded by anti-GMO groups may also carry biases. Independent research by impartial institutions is essential. The debate on GMOs will continue as more research is conducted. Open communication between scientists, policymakers, and the public is vital. Section 6. The Organic Alternative, Comparing GMOs and Organic Farming. As concerns about GMOs persist, many consumers turn to organic farming as a perceived safer and more environmentally friendly alternative. Organic farming prohibits GMOs, synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Organic farmers rely on natural inputs, crop rotation, and ecological practices. While organic farming offers environmental benefits, it faces challenges in yield and cost. Organic yields are generally lower than conventional yields. Lower yields and higher labor costs often translate to higher prices for consumers. The environmental benefits of organic farming are not always clear-cut. Organic farming may require more land, leading to deforestation and habitat loss. The debate between GMOs and organic farming is complex. Sustainable agriculture may involve combining the best practices from both organic and conventional farming. Section 7. Shaping Public Opinion, GMOs, Consumers, and Corporate Influence. The public perception of GMOs is complex and often influenced by a multitude of factors, including scientific literacy, cultural values, and media portrayal. Public opinion polls on GMOs consistently show a significant knowledge gap, with many consumers expressing confusion and uncertainty about the science behind genetic modification. This lack of understanding creates fertile ground for misinformation and fear-mongering, often fueled by sensationalized media coverage and anti-GMO activism. The role of large corporations in the development and marketing of GMOs also fuels public distrust. Companies like Monsanto, now owned by Bayer, have faced criticism for their aggressive lobbying efforts and alleged attempts to suppress scientific research that raises concerns about GMO safety. These actions have eroded public trust and fueled the perception that GMOs are more about corporate profits than feeding the world. Transparency and open communication are crucial to rebuilding trust and fostering informed decision-making about GMOs. Labeling GMO products clearly and providing consumers with access to accurate and unbiased information are essential steps in empowering individuals to make informed choices about the food they consume. Furthermore, engaging the public in open and honest dialogues about the potential benefits and risks of GMOs is crucial. This requires moving beyond polarized debates and fostering respectful conversations that acknowledge the complexities of this issue. Section 8. The Future of Food. Are GMOs here to stay? The debate over GMOs is far from over. As technology advances and new generations of genetically modified organisms are developed, new questions and concerns are sure to arise. However, one thing is certain: GMOs are here to stay. They're already deeply embedded in our food system, and their presence is only likely to grow in the coming decades. The challenge we face is not whether to embrace or reject GMOs outright, but rather, how to harness this powerful technology responsibly and ethically. This requires a multifaceted approach that includes rigorous safety testing, transparent labeling, and continued research into the long-term effects of GMOs on human health and the environment. Investing in public education is crucial to bridge the knowledge gap and empower consumers to make informed decisions about GMOs. Fostering open dialogues between scientists, policymakers, farmers, and the public is essential to ensure that decisions about GMOs are guided by sound science, ethical considerations, and the needs of all stakeholders. The future of food security relies on our ability to adapt and innovate. GMOs, while not a silver bullet, offer a powerful tool in our arsenal. By embracing a balanced and informed approach, we can harness the potential of this technology to create a more sustainable and equitable food system for all.